Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian doesn't need introduction. They are very well known. They've been around more than 50 years. They are Middle Eastern, United Arab Emirates based company. They put out fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell fantastic, especially for the price. The ratio for what you pay and what you get is very high. And Sapil is subsidiary or branch of the Saudi Arabian that is in a lower tier price, so they are very good value for money. And lately they released few fragrances. I unboxed and reviewed one a few days ago. This is the second one, so there's no information about them out there. There's no reviews, so I thought I'll give you my thoughts about it and see how it goes. But before I do this unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I'll appreciate your help very much. Thank you. So let's go. So this is a nice box, nice attention to detail. By the way, under £15. Yes, sorry about the noise. Sapil is usually as I said, cheaper lineup, so they're under say £20, sometimes £15. And as you can see, this is a dark blue with a gold accent. It's called Qamar or Qamar. Qamar in Arabic translates to English is moon, but in poetry and in the everyday language they sometimes use Qamar as beauty. So they say, wow, she's, for example, this lady is a Qamar, that means she's beautiful. So Qamar means moon, but sometimes refer indirectly as beautiful. Okay, so this one is Eau de Perfume. This is Sapil Qamar and 100 ml. Targeted unisex. Come on, don't let me down now. Okay, so what a bottle! Look at that heavy bottle. Very. This is a beautiful blue color. It's not turquoise. It's not dark blue. It's not navy. It's blue, a particular shade of blue, which is very pretty. Anyway, so Qamar Eau de Perfume. The cap is quite heavy, but it's plastic. And let's go with the atomizer. Come on, don't come off. Very good atomizer. Very pretty bottle, especially for the price under £15. Okay, Eau de Perfume, here we go. How does this smell? First impression, first sniff. Ooh, holy moly, what a smell. This smells much more expensive than I paid for it. So the first thing that hits me is the leather. Yeah, what a leather. The leather here is like a green, earthy, medicinal leather. There's both oud in the background, but oud is in the background right now, but the leather is the biggest player right now. Quite fruity. The fruit here is like some sort of dry fruit. It's got a sweetness underlying to it. I'm guessing there's a vanilla in here as well, and it's got musky in the same time. It's got a floral backbone to it as well, but the florals are on the biggest play again in the background. It feels like something aromatic. Okay, so it's like a lavender or maybe violet in here. So it's a very aromatic floral. Little bit of underlying spiciness, and the spice here is quite a dry spice. I'm not sure if it's come from the leather or it's a dry spice in particular, note in here. But first thing first it hits me is the leather. The leather here is medicinal, earthy, little bit of green. It's woody, it's leafy, and the florals here are aromatic. So maybe combination of violet and lavender. And in the base we have vanilla, muskiness, and a little bit of oud. But again, these are in the background, but you can feel them, you can detect them right now. But what a smell! It smells much more expensive. There is no harshness, there is no syntheticness, there is no chemical smell. It's quite natural smelling, which is amazing for this price, under 15 quid. Wow, wow, wow! What a beauty! It is targeted for unisex, and it is unisex to my nose as well. It's bang in the middle. It's very good for going out. It's opulent, it's formal, it's datey. It's very, very good. Wow. Sapil, you are doing yourself a big justice here. So Swiss Arabian and Sapil are doing fantastic job. Presentation is great, especially for the price again, under £15. Smells fantastic, very opulent. It's very good quality, very good blend, very smooth, very rounded, nothing harshness in here. Just opened like perfect perfume basically. Who's it for? Little bit on the mature side, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. This is definitely complex, is oriental, is not going to be appreciated by very young noses. So I would say 25 and up, and also formal. In terms of occasion, this is better suited for cooler weather because it's heavy on the leather and oud and vanilla and spicy, aromatic. So it is quite on the cooler weather, but it's done in a way that you can, it's got freshness to it. It's coming from, I think, something like a musk in here, or the florals. The combination of the florals and the musk giving it some freshness. So you can use it all year round there. In winter more trigger, in summer less. But right now it's just mesmerizingly pretty. It's got some smokiness to it, some light smokiness, light dustiness, a little bit of powderiness. So again, where does that come from? Probably most likely it's come from the aromatic florals, like the violet and the lavender. So giving it that powdery, little bit of smoky, little bit of dusty feel to it as well. But what a smell! It smells very expensive. Smells much more than I paid for it, at least few times. So again, this Middle Eastern houses, they doing fantastic job. They putting out very, very high quality fragrances for very, very low prices, and this is the attraction of these Middle Eastern houses. If this smell and this quality of juice was in a big name, it would have been 100 plus. Yes, it's that good. Okay guys, so in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But for now, for right now, 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love it. Definitely beauty in a bottle. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons, subscribe, hit the like button, do your if you need to say something, put it in the comment. If you tried the House of Sapil, or you know anything else from them that you recommend, put it down there as well. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, very unique. They mesmerizing. They are amazing value for money, and they last super long time. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to order. I'll put them in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.